Just talk to me after this ticket. Mike, I need you to train these guys.
I don't want to get trained by someone in the Navy.
Really?
Nigel?
Yeah.
Nigel? Oh, so you're gonna be your one warning. Don't disrespect
I
any
love you, really.
branches. Mike, I need you to train him.
Come on, bro. The Air Force is mad dumb.
Oh.
Didn't even see where.
Willie?
Hmm.
You're big boy TRM, right?
TRL.
Wait. Oh yeah, you're not Wait, why did I say TRM? You're TRL. Anyways, you're big boy in TR. I just pulled this Steam ID. To train, and they disconnected. I'll pull those guys a trainer and I'll work on it.
Oh.
That Steam ID right there.
Alright, I'm good.
I pulled them to train and they disconnected.
There's someone that
Who disconnected?
That Steam ID I sent you, it was like a CPO in Navy.
Hey.
Oh, okay, okay.